don't know, guys, welcome back to another video. You don't know, it's a boy press out here. I go, pull long back there. Take them already. Put up the other day.
Yeah, people, so we're pulling it out to see the finished look. So we're gonna use these words and put over the other side to complete it. Yeah, people, so we're getting out all the screws that we use to hold up the board. That is it.
Put the board here to find out the design in it. There's a little design in it, guys.
So we use this small piece of board to create the design.
Different colors, so you can have a little.
So when we're painting up, we're gonna put those in a different color.
Yeah.
So over here, so now we start steel up. Start putting the steel in work. So one next evening now when we come in, we just cast up.
Like,
Box up and cast up. Pulling off the binding wires that we use as stabilizer. This one for already. Roll it.
see guys, teamwork made the dream work.
Yes, we are.
See, I look beautiful, guys.
We're getting there.
Yeah. So this mega part where the where when you pour
column.
the column, yeah, the column I go.
Stiffener. Column or stiffener.
Yeah.
So use another piece of the baluster to fill out this. Catch back into the column. Getting there little by little. Evening work. After a day's work, you come in and do a little.
I take what time.
Isa.
We have the yard because so we're getting there. If I complete it before Christmas Day.
So guys, this is it.
Guys, this is what I want. Finished project. I've got side here. Got next side too.
Yeah guys, we got more in our vlogs behind the camera.
So you guys see them. Guys, the steel work, the grill work, a T-bag and the JP, Mr. Smith, in the community, them do it. So you want your steel work for you can check in on T-bag. See the first set they will need a long time. So that side of the baluster here left to go up. The part of T-bag on the work, the grill work. You check out T-bag when they want the grills to be up. Security.
You want grill work, you check in with T-bag. When you want base work, you check in with this team.
The night team. See what going on there. So guys, you know what to do, like, comment, share and subscribe.
And just comment and tell us how it look.
Wonderful, you know. Don't put me on the TV, do you know? I'm not shy or anything.
Yeah.
But you know,
Yeah, man. That's
we're on TV all the time too.
Yeah.
Because we do a charity. We're
Okay.
United Highgate and Prom.
Okay.
And we have a charity called the United Friends of Highgate. And we support many causes in Highgate. We support the infirm in Port Maria. We've given at least 30 beds to hospital in Anata Bay. We've given them a cooler that holds their medicine. We give them a lot. Between there, Port Maria, the schools in Highgate, St. Mary's School, computers, everything.
That's nice.
So that's why I admire what you guys are doing. It's not the cooking, that don't mean a damn thing to me. It's to see what you're doing for the people in your community. If you're blessed, you can then give blessings to others.
Sure.
And just if you continue to do that, you're gonna be successful.
Sure.
So, and I love the camaraderie. You guys are together from a small community, and but for one little happening, which I hope things are patched up between Gungad and everybody else. But for that, you're gonna always, no matter what the organization is, you're gonna always find something like that. But God bless you guys, really. I mean, awesome job.
Nice meeting you.
Yes. But this man is my star. This. J-Butter my star.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. You can put it on. You can put it on your TV. It don't matter.
Yeah.
Where is
I
that?
respect
Yeah.
you tremendously.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
That is it.
Yeah. But sometimes, only thing we want to do, kind of walk out of the patra sometime and just say something.
English.
Yes. Yeah. Especially when you deal with, foreigners.
International,
the ones
Yeah,
that-
sometimes they probably don't understand what we're saying.
So, of course.
True.
So sometimes I feel kind of, nice stuff.
Yeah,
Nice.
true.
But because I know you guys, it's going to continue to soar. You guys going to do well. Because the blessing is there.
Yeah.
So, yes, but
Chinese
it's
very
my
good.
pleasure,
I want you to.
absolute pleasure to meet you guys for the first time. It won't be the last.
Yeah.
It will not be the last. And I'm just saying, the woman that's in the car with me right now, Nurse Green, that's her, Yeah, she was married to my wife's father. The man, Inspector Menzies, that was her husband, that's my wife's father. Yeah. So Nurse Green, I guess, maybe deliver you and...
Yeah.
I see you in the car. Yeah, I see you in the car.
She probably know your mother good too. Probably if you tell her about your mother. I say probably if you tell her about her mother,
Yeah.
she
That's
pick
her.
up.
That's her in the car.
Yeah.
Fresh egg coming off the farm. People remember I told you about the egg. So if you want the egg, you get it for the Christmas. So this is a subscriber come to get a flat fresh eggs.
All right. Okay. How much?
Oh, they're beautiful.
Yeah.
$1,200. Okay.
How much is it?
12.
12?
Yeah. Wow.
Like them kind of space and of a bit, come on, some dozen, you must say.
Yes. We work
We
with.
put the money for the teacher.
All right. No, we settle.
Thank you for the
We want to do
support.
Man, the only thing I want are 2 Portland breadfruit. And I'll come back to get that though.
Yeah.
Right now, over at the post at you, sir.
Oh yeah?
You can reverse back on.
All right. We're not for
So guys, you don't know. You see that means a while ago, so you don't know what to do. Like, comment, share and subscribe. And tell a friend about the channel. So you don't know anything, one love as always.
Yeah.
Yeah, so see Baker over there.
That is it, people, you know?
Yep,
Yeah,
Dave,
man,
but-
You're not going to get
supporting
film
the
for the egg.
people.
We can start filming.
You might get film flat egg now.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah, guys, so check in.
So you don't know anything, go like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace out.
I was trying to
One more fat of egg, people. Remember me tell you, so them a go like hot bread. So if you want for your one,
Contact the number right up on the
Christmas
screen.
time.
Yeah,
now.
guys,
There
just
people, I see this now, people. Bake, we're gonna bake for the less fortunate people with there now. Some Christmas
Get
cake.
PR one for yesterday. Big up.
yeah, guys.
Peace out.